Hello, everybody. In this session, we are talking about research problem. Before you conceive of your project, you need to ask yourself, what is a research problem? A research problem definition can be broadly put forward as the primary statement of a knowledge gap or a fundamental challenge in a field which forms the foundation for research. Conversely, the findings from a research investigation provide solutions to the problem. A research problem guides the selection of approaches and methodologies, data collection, and interpretation of results to find answers or solutions. A well-defined problem determines the generation of valuable insights and contributions to the broader intellectual discourse. And then we move to the characteristics of an effective research problem. There are several factors that ensure a research problem is clear, well defined, and easy to follow throughout the duration of study. Understanding this aspect of a research problem can help us you identify and create your own. Some characteristics to consider when aiming to define a research problem include the first, reflecting on issues or required knowledge in a particular field prior to conducting a study. Second, adhering strictly to a budget and timeline. Third, ensuring that the topic you aim to examine has a sufficient amount of relevant data. Fourth, remaining practical, manageable, and communicative with researchers involved in data collection and analysis. Fifth, relying on reputable evidence and data and disregarding information that you cannot verify. And then, research problem statement. A research problem statement is a clear, concise, and specific statement that describes the issue or problem that the research project addresses. It should be written in a way that is easily understandable to both experts and non-experts in the field. To write a research problem statement, you should first identify the general area of interest. Start by identifying the general area of research that interests you. Second, use a scientific and objective tone. The problem statement should be written in a neutral and objective objective tone, avoiding any subjective language and personal bias. Third, define the specific problem. Narrow down the general area of interest to a specific problem or issue. Fourth, provide a clear and concise statement. State the problem in a clear and concise manner, making sure to use language that is easily understood by your intended audience. And fifth, explain the significance of the problem. Provide context for the problem by explaining why it is important to study and what gap in current knowledge or understanding it fills. And then, where to find a research problem? Ideas for research problems tend to come from two sources: real life and the scholarly arena. First, identifying a research problem can be as simple as observing the complications and issues in your local workplace. You may encounter ongoing issues on a daily basis in your workplace or observe your colleagues struggle with major issues or questions in your field. These ongoing obstacles and issues in the workplace can be the catalyst for developing a research problem. Alternatively, research problems can be identified by reviewing recent literature, reports, or databases in your field. Often, the station and section on recommendation for future studies provided at the end of journal articles or doctoral dissertations suggest potential research problems. In addition, major reports and databases in the field may reveal findings or database facts that call for additional investigation or suggest potential issues to be addressed. Looking at what theories need to be tested is another opportunity to develop a research problem. And then the types of research problem. Across fields and disciplines, there are different types of research problems, and we can broadly categorize them into three types. The first type, theoretical research problems. Theoretical research problems deal with conceptual and intellectual inquiries that may not involve empirical data collection but instead seek to advance our understanding of complex concepts, theories, and phenomena within their respective disciplines. For example, in the social sciences, research problems may be casuistic, different disciplines, or relational. Second, applied research problems. Applied or practical research problems focus on addressing real-world challenges and generating practical solutions to to improve various aspects of society, technology, health, and the environment. And the third, action research problems. Action research problems aim to create positive change within specific contexts by involving stakeholders, implementing intersections, and evaluating outcomes a collaborative manner. I think it is enough for this time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.